Hey guys, it's me again here, and today I'm gonna be changing my voice back to chicken voice. I know I hate it, but trust me, I know I'm laughing because I'm just getting silly a tiny bit, but yeah, I know you guys are wondering where that voice was, but I'll do that. Here I go in three, two, one. Get it changed.
Okay, back to back to the chicken voice. I don't like it, but I thought the story here. Yeah.
Why are you still acting like this?
Oh no, I'm back to normal too.
He what? Yeah, Lizzie. He was the hell adventure you. Never mind.